All right, guys, I got a 2008 Subaru Impreza here, and I'm going to show you guys how to replace a cabin filter. So here's the filter. Customer went and got an original one, and there's a part number right there. And that's what the filter looked like right there. And it's all in here. What you want to do is open the glove box. You want to just pull on this, and then you want to squeeze here and squeeze here, both sides at the same time. Okay, you can do one at a time like me, but doing it best together it'll be the easiest way. But instead of that, as you can see right there is your cabin filters at. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get both sides out. Okay, one side comes out, the other side goes in. Okay, there you go. The whole thing's gonna come down. That's fine. We're gonna squeeze here, we're gonna pull on this guy really hard, and there's your cabin filter. It's gonna come out just like that. Okay, so the filter he got me is not the correct filter. Let me go get a correct filter for this guy. So what you want to do is, okay, this is one piece. So new filter should be just like that. Okay, so my apologies, that was engineer filter that looked like a cabin filter. So here's the part number on this guy right here. And here's the filter inside this bag. So something like this you should do every 15,000 miles. You take this filter, okay, same direction. You see how this was sitting like that? This was in the bottom, this was in the top, same way. Okay, we'll even tell you, face it up. Very simple. You take this filter, stick it in, click it in, bada bing, bada boom. What you want to do next is you want to take your glove box. With the one hand, it's going to be hard for me to do, but you simply put the glove box onto here, clip it back in, and close it up. That's how simple that is. Okay, so I got the glove box in position, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to yank this up. Everything's going to click. You want to take this plunger, make sure you put this in so the glove box come down slowly like it's supposed to. Make sure it opens and closes perfect. Bada bing, bada boom. And that's it. Thank you for watching. And we also got an air filter here, so we'll put that in. That's something that you guys gonna have to follow me under the hood next. So you guys already seen the part number on that. So let's go into the hood next. So to change it, engine filter, you're looking at right here. This is on the passenger side. Remember the glove box is on this side for the cabin filter. So right here, you want to pop this, and all you want to do is you want to go back on this, and then you do have a one little guy right down here. See, this little guy is gonna bother us, so be careful with this line here. So you pull back on this, and the filter should come out. Let me set up my camera. Okay, so all you need to do is yank this back out. Filters right here. Okay, there's no harder way and there's no easy way, so this is the way to get this filter out of here. Unless you want to remove all this, which we are not gonna do. Okay, just make sure you don't yank on this cable. And what you want to do here is, woo! Alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect this, make sure your key's off, and I'm gonna go get a Phillips head screwdriver, and I'm gonna remove this little guy right here. Okay, so here's the Phillips head screwdriver. So this thing gave me a little bit of trouble. Okay, I was assuming I was just able to pull that out, but nope, guess not. So once this is out, you should be able to pull this whole thing out. Very easy. Your filter's gonna come out. Make sure the housing inside is nice and clean. Okay, and then what you want to do is, remember this filter had this little guy facing up, so you're gonna put it back in the same position. Okay, and these two legs, 1 and 2, has to go in the center, in the bottom. Make sure that sits properly. Okay, our airflow sensor connector has fallen down. Let's bring that up and leave it up. Make sure that doesn't get pinched in between. You do have one pipe over there that's connected, it's squeezed in here, so be careful with that. Okay, so once this thing goes nice in there, we should be able to, okay, The bottom is not sitting properly. Okay, let's bring our camera this side. So if I take my light, make sure the bottom sits. If the bottom is open, no good. So this is no good right now. There you go. I feel it. It's in there right now. And close this guy. And close this guy. Make sure you put this guy in right here. And all we need to do is bring up our harness. And the harness, oh my God, it went all the way down. Make sure you connect this. If you don't, you're gonna have issues. And what you want to do here is lock up this flathead screw here. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.